Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this issue. In my case, I have installed drivers on this laptop and we're still having some issues about the sound drivers. They are not working. As you can see, they're not getting any sound. In my case here, I'm using this because I can't play any music, but I'll try to show you when things work out. So I want you to go ahead and go to this PC. As you can see, then you right click, manage, then to take it to computer management. And this is just a quick video, so you don't need to download other new drivers because you already had the drivers that were working. So I want you to look for sound, which is here. So you have to make sure. Then I'm going to go ahead and look for the option down here that has audio. So in this option, I'm going to right click again. Then I'll go to update drivers. Then I'll go to this option here, as you can see, browse, and this will bring us and let us pick from the drivers that we already had on the PC. In my case here, we have these new drivers, which are the one which are disorganizing our PC. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one up. Then I click yes. Then the next step to show us that things have worked out, and then the volume here to disconnect and come back again. Then I'll try to increase the volume and the volume will work out. So thanks for watching. This was just a quick video on how to resolve the issue of installing drivers and then you lose your sound on your Windows PCs, and this would work on other versions of Windows PCs. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload this full video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.